So different PDF files that you have may have large file size, especially when you have a lot of pictures in it. And you may want to go ahead and reduce out the size of the picture by compressing it, that is the size it has taken in the disk, so that it's easier for you to upload or email out the PDF document. So for that, in ILovePDF, you can go to compress PDF option from over here on the top, or you can go from compress PDF from over here, or you can go around onto all PDF tool and click on compress PDF. So now whatever PDF file that you have, you can import it out from either one of these cloud services or click on select PDF file right here. So over here, you can see that I have different PDF files right here, just like this. So you can see that I have these PDF files right here. And then you can see that I have, let's say, for example, the Relay Cloud presence right here, which is around 1 megabyte or 1153 kilobytes in size. So let's just go ahead and upload this out. And over here, you can see that now I can add in more files as well. So I can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, the premium weekly source file as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go around and add more files as you want as well. So you can go for less compression so that it preserves out the quality. You can choose recommended compression so that it maintains out quality a bit, but has a bit of higher compression. But if you really want high compression as much as you want so that the file size is small, you can go for extreme compression as well. So let's just go ahead and choose that and click on compress, and you can see that it converted 1.26 megabyte of PDF file to 207 kilobytes right here. So more than 84% smaller, as you can see, as it mentions, which is really file efficient. So you can see that this is really small in file size now, but if you were to open, you don't really notice much difference right here. The image quality is lower if you were to, let's say, see it in detail, but you can see that it doesn't make much of a difference right here. So it really optimizes out the content right here, just like this. So this is basically how you can actually go ahead and compress out your PDF file by using the ILovePDF tool easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.